Here we are again, attempt number 3 or 4, one of the two. I think I've got about 35-40 minutes of messing about with this lock. Now, in a previous video I mentioned I actually got this for free with another lock, mostly due to the fact that somebody in their wicked ways has removed this lock from the packaging, changed the code on it, and then just left it hanging on the shelf. So nobody knows what the code is to get into this thing. Now, I've tried random things like 4 zeros, 4 ones, 1 2 3 4, usual stuff, but nothing's been successful. So I've been trying the pull the shackle. This appears to have false gates in it, so that's what's probably causing time. Obviously decided to jump in at the deep end and practice on a combination lock that's got false gates. So hey ho, all adds to the fun. So let's crack on with this and see if this video will get uploaded. So my fingers are already aching. Right. Blinding. Felt a little pull on the shackle there. Another little pull. That's binding completely. Gave me another bit of movement. Oh, be interesting if we can get into this. I think that one's bound solid now. There we go. That's not even binding now. And they all have about the same feel when they're in a false gate. I don't quite have the ability to tell the difference, especially when my fingers are starting to get a bit sore. Might be one. Helps if we get them all lined up. Hey. Oh, that gave me a little bit of movement. Gave me a little bit. That's binding now. That gave me a good little pull on the core, that. On the core, shackle should I say. Just make sure these are all We're on so far 2968. Go a little bit. So that 8 gives the most movement. I'm going to stick with that. The annoying part is you keep catching your thumb on the other wheel. Let's stick with M2 on that. That's binding. Let's try this one. Oh! No way. Can't believe that's just happened. I must have got lucky there. 2168. What are the odds on that? Was it third or fourth time lucky? I can't remember now. Well, either way, I'm chuffed to bits with that one. That's I'm assuming this is how you change. Right, let's set everything to say 4 zeros. Awesome. Well, I'm happy now. First ever combination lock picked. Yeah. So I'm trying to find, so with this false gates. I've got to admit, you know, I've never picked any combination locks before, so I don't know how easy or how hard some of them are. Well, after looking at some of the videos, a lot of them don't have false gates, so to be honest, I think that was probably just either blind luck with a little bit of skill. But either way, I'm chuffed to bits now. Got myself a working free combination padlock. Can't complain at that. Thank you very much.